It's gonna be a simple machining video. Steps on how to machine a really simple top. Just kind of go through everything that's gonna happen as it happens, as the world unfolds and goes through time. Anyway, first step, you want to get yourself some Corona. It's gotta be Corona because it's supposed to kill you. And so they always say what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, so you gotta drink Corona. And then the second step is you want to find yourself just a shitty scrap piece of material. That's gonna be it. You want to set up your chuck here to grab this the best you can. Like obviously it's a lathe, and you want to use something round. We could probably don't do that. Don't ever do that. Horrible idea. So we have a couple different types of chucks, like I showed, and we're just gonna put them in, and each of them are numbered. So you have 1, 2, and 3. I guess I'll try to show you this because it's actually kind of important whenever you're taking these out and then switching them around. You have to do it in a certain order, or else everything you make is gonna be H. Number 2. I have no idea if you guys can even see this, but whatever. So marked out 1 on this guy, and I marked a line for when the engagement should happen. Everything you do from there is gonna be center, so that's how you do that. All right, let's see if we can get this right first try. If I get it right first try, definitely drinking another Corona. Got number 1. We're gonna insert it this way. There we go. Take your chuck key up here, put it in. We want to just kind of start threading it. So we get just looking for number 2. Just until you get engagement. Number 3. Easiest way to see if you got it right, just keep running it all the way down and see if they meet in the middle. I don't think they're going to. I don't know, maybe it looks close. Holy! First try. I'm kind of impressed, honestly. Look at that. That is just so nice. They all come together like that trifecta of jaws. We got proton, neutron, electron. Alright, let's chuck some shit up. So take your block and just make a square, so it's difficult. 3 jaws. Like I said, it's not super nice creature for getting it to do what you want it to do. But honestly, all I'm doing is just winging it here, just guessing where center is anyways. Like, not really winging it, but just guessing. I feel like center is probably right there. And just tighten each 3 up, so you're gonna have 3, so you can watch as I turn this right here. You have 3 spots. Each of those, just apply a little bit more torque on each individual jaw instead of just 1 for all. Wait, 1 for all and all for 1. Alright, here we go. Enough fucking around, fuckery. This will be the most unprofessional how-to video you've ever seen. And I really don't care, because I kind of realized that the world is unprofessional a little bit. So a lot of people are just doing what they can, to have a house and pay their bills and their taxes and have fun. Speaking of good stuff, super good. I'm kind of scared to turn this on, honestly. Yeah, we're gonna shoot this thing to the moon. Alright, get this shit out of the way. This is step number, I don't fucking know, but just gonna run our bit in so we get some touch off. Make it somewhat legit, I know this is one of those videos that like, what is he doing? But I'm just trying to make it fun, honestly, like enjoyable for you to watch, and that's really it. That's the goal. And that we're gonna set our zeros so we know where we're at when we're cutting this. And so right now it's reading all zeros, and you just wanna run it in to where you touch off on this piece, so that you know when you start that's how much you're taking off. And you gotta remember safety glasses. Those are always good. Put those on. And you just want to start cutting material. Yo, welcome back to the vocalization of my thoughts. I think a good name for it is Carrot Top. But anyway, let's see if the thing will actually spin. I don't know. Let's check it out. Is this gonna work? I think that's kind of what we're all wondering. I think it'll work. What about you guys? I don't know. It's probably gonna be wild.
That's decent. I call that a success.